Editing worksheet data in MS Excel. Part 2. Changing the cell contents. The contents of the cell may be required to change completely or partially. The steps to change the content of a cell completely are as follows. Step 1. Select the cell whose content has to be overwritten. Step 2. Type in the new data into the cell. Step 3. Press the Enter button on the formula bar or Enter key to accept the changes. Now, in order to change the cell contents partially, the following steps are required. Step 1. Select the cell to be edited. Step 2. Click the formula bar or double-click inside the cell. Step 3. Edit the contents of the cell in the formula bar or inside the cell. Step 4. Press the Enter button on the formula bar or Enter key to accept the changes. Deleting the cell contents. To delete the contents of a cell, you follow these steps. Step 1. Select the cell or the range of cells whose contents have to be deleted. Step 2. Press the Delete or the Backspace key on the keyboard. The contents of the selected cells are removed. Copying or moving cell contents. The contents on the worksheet can be copied or moved to a different position on the same worksheet or on a different worksheet. The steps to move or copy cell contents are as follows. Step 1. Select the cell or range of data to be copied or moved. Step 2. Choose Cut or Copy from the formatting toolbar to move or copy the data. A border surrounds the range of data to be copied or moved. Step 3. Select the destination cell where you want to paste the data. Step 4. Choose Paste from the formatting toolbar. The selected cells are moved or copied to the new location.